photo. I know it has been a while since I've uploaded a video. There's a couple of reasons for that. I wanted to tell you that I am absolutely going to continue uploading videos. It's just been super busy for me, both personally and professionally. There's a lot going on. Right now, because of all that busyness, I decided that I needed a break. So I'm in Maui right now, and I figured I can't go to Maui without filming some kind of vlog and some kind of set of videos. So it is 5:27 in the morning. Of course, I'm still on Pacific Standard Time in Vegas, so I woke up super early. Yesterday we got in, flew in, got the car, got into the condo, got groceries, did the whole thing, got all set up, and then we were pretty much just done. So we crashed pretty hard, and now we are up, and I am going to see if I can film or get a photo of the sunrise out here on the west side. So on the west side of Maui, there's another island just on the other side of the beach, and I want to see if I can catch the sunrise just kind of lighting up the top of that island. It's got a little layer of clouds over it. I just thought that would be super cool. But it is just absolutely gorgeous out here. I mean, it's Maui, so I don't really need to tell you. It's Hawaii, it's amazing. All right, so I'm gonna head to the beach and see what I can get. Definitely still a little dark out here, but you can kind of see behind me here. The sun is starting to come up, and I'm starting to see just a little bit of color on the clouds. So I'm going to turn off the video, and I'm going to try and get some stills, maybe a time lapse. Okay, so it is definitely not pretty out here. The water is crystal clear. The sunrise was amazing, and now it's time to go make some breakfast. All right, breakfast done, and those photos came out amazing. That video was fantastic. Now we're gonna put on our snorkel masks and see what we can't get under the water. So I'm gonna switch to the GoPro now. All right, now we're on the GoPro. I have no idea how this is gonna look. It even looks like it's kind of fogging up. We'll see. All right, we'll see how it goes. So, as you can see, there's a little sunset happening right behind me. I'm dark. Hold on. There, that's better. Okay. So there's a sunset happening behind me, as you can see. It's just absolutely gorgeous out here. And my wife and I just took a walk down the beach, nice romantic stroll, and we ran into sea turtles. So how cool is that, right? Just took a stroll, 5 minutes up the beach and 5 minutes back, and ran into sea turtles. How cool is that? So the snorkeling kind of wiped us out, and so now we're just going to relax for the rest of the night, and going to go ahead and make some dinner, and then just relax, maybe watch a movie. And then tomorrow we're going to go to Slaughterhouse Bay for more snorkeling, maybe some more coral. If you look at the footage that I put in there for the coral that I was swimming under, or over rather, it was dead. And if you know anything about what's going on with coral reefs right now, you know that climate change is killing the coral. So you can see how the coral dies and then gets covered with algae. So we're hoping to find some coral that's a little more lively, that we can take some photos of. And normally that's where you get some of the better fish, because they really like to swim around the coral. So we're going to head up Slaughterhouse tomorrow, maybe one other bay, maybe even Black Rock Bay. And then we'll just kind of see what we're going to do. I don't know what the plan is. This vacation is about not doing a ton. We've got a couple of trips, a couple little excursions planned, but nothing crazy, which is partly why I'm able to do some vlogging and some editing. I'm going to post this tonight, so this all was today. I guess mahalo everybody. If you like these videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit the like button. If you've been a subscriber for a while and you haven't seen a lot of content, I'm going to try and put some more up during this vacation, because honestly that's what I really enjoy doing is, you know, we buy all this awesome gear, and then if it just kind of sits in a bag, then what's the point, right? So I'm hoping to use as much of my cool technology to kind of show off this wonderful place as I can, and show off some of the fun stuff that we're doing. So alright, I'll see you in the next video. Mahalo.